That was the mainland, is down where my finger is. And if we took a ferry across there, and we'd taken that little squiggly line across there, and turned left, where are we now?
We're around this area here.
And now where are we going to go?
Up here.
Okay, let's do that then.
Okay.
Just had to stop at the side of the road. It's the Old Man of Store. I think that's the way you pronounce it anyway. Just up ahead. And we stopped in a little village and had a coffee. It's amazing. Skye is sensational. It's beautiful. Anyway, we're going to carry on a little bit further on up this road and hopefully stop and have some lunch. Okay, so I'm going to put a picture in picture at this point to explain, but where we are at the top of the cliffs, the Kilt Rock viewpoint, and I just noticed down in the water that there is guys kind of paddling along. It looks like hard work. That's what it looks like. Rather them than me. I'm sure it looks rather gorgeous from down there. Anyway, let's move along.
Down there on the big rock with the guano on.
Oh yeah. Okay. Zoom in and try.
Are they beautiful? He's holding his wings out.
No, I need a bigger camera to get it.
He's gorgeous.
Yeah. Sensational. Absolutely sensational. Can't get over the colour of the water. It's absolutely beautiful. Literally had to stop a couple of minutes ago, back up the road and had a coffee. Another little viewpoint and we pull in again. What's the rush? Here's me Sally Kins. Colchester, Kawasaki. Motorcycle run. Yes, I am looking at your chest. Yes. Yep. Absolutely beautiful. There you go. So I'm using my phone because my normal stills camera is pretty much dead. Here we have a lovely cottage in the middle of nowhere. Nothing but sheep for neighbours. Not bad location either. If you want peace and quiet, you've got peace and quiet. How are we doing?
Oh, fine, thank you.
It's not another coffee stop.
No.
But we saw these and felt very much compelled to pull over.
Yeah, they're lovely, aren't they? Shame the place isn't open, but...
Yeah. The camera on the roof ran out of power, so the other side of the Isle of Skye, where we'd stopped doing the dronage, or finished doing a little bit of dronage over the village, there was no more GoPro. So the dramatic scenery on the other side of the island coming back, didn't catch it, but it's in there. Anyhow, we saw some signs, one moment, we saw some signs for Talisker. And as we were in the distillery yesterday, the distillery that we were in yesterday, they do the malting for Talisker. So we thought, as we're on the island, we would come to Talisker. So Sal's just gone to the ladies' room, powder her nose as you were, you know, as it is, and then we're going to go out to the visitor shop and see if we can get some whiskey. More whiskey. Can you have too much? There you go. The Isle of Skye has been sensational, and you can run out of fantastic words. Over-egg the pudding sometimes when you describe places, but Skye has that's just been awesome. It's been really, really good. Right, let's go and find my wife. What's that to your left-hand side?
I don't know how to say it properly, but it's Ellen Castle.
Oh, let's have a little look then. Fortunately, the sun is killing the camera a little bit.
Have you got
but
the key in your pocket?
Keys in my pocket, yes. We've had a bit of stress earlier today with my car. But there you go.
It is stunning.
Isn't it just stunningly beautiful, is right? It's absolutely lovely. We've had a cracking day, really.